welcome back to a new episode of Cooking with Jay Simkevitz. If you're new or reoccurring and haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you have subscribed, then thank you so much for doing that. Today I am making beef stir fry. Yes, I have done a lot of stir fries before, and I've probably done a beef stir fry, but this time I'm using chunks this big. Well, chunks this big. So, let's get on with making this yummy, delicious beef stir fry from scratch. hope you have enjoyed watching this video that I've created that is a totally different way of cooking, in the sense that I don't say anything, I don't explain anything, I just show you it really fast, and it's just pan and meat, veggies, whatever, cut, stick them in the pan. That's it. Plain simple. So please comment below to tell me what you think of this. Also, if you enjoyed this, hit the thumbs up button. Squash it, smash it, high five it. Do whatever you have to. Hit the thumbs up button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And also remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you guys are beautiful, and you guys are wonderful for helping me out watching my videos. And thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkowitz, and also for being part of Jay's Squad. And please remember, keep calm and cook on.